Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Penny Pops, hey there. Dominic, hello. Red, good morning. Tamimi, good morning. With no fear. Let's see. Penny was long, then stopped. Oh no, short, then long. Okay. Yeah, this is reality, Dominic, and maybe it's the Matrix, but you know, if this is the Matrix, damn good video graphics. I'm sure. So he's not stoned. Good morning. Have you ever wondered why you were stoned? Oh, I see. Oh yeah, definitely. Yesterday I was listening to I was in the gym and I was listening to Mark Douglas, one of his workshops on YouTube. He was talking about that. Bessie, sorry. Bessie, hey there, good morning. Saucy G, what up, what up? Welcome. Yeah. Yeah, so I think it's basically it is a video game or a Matrix or something. I mean, whatever is going on, we are in a simulated reality or something, and we are just characters by the creator, whoever it is. Well, yeah, it's God, of course, but we are in a simulation. Hey, Michael, good morning. Edgaros, hey there, good morning. Works, yeah, sure. On Quanta, I mean, this morning I was able to. Oh, hold on, just a second, hold on, because I was able to log in. Let me load up a MyFundedFutures chart. Okay, so this is a chart on MyFundedFutures, and it's frozen. It's frozen. What is going on? It's frozen. Let me check it with another prop. Okay, it's not working. It's not working. Let's try to reload from server. I reloaded from server. It's updated, but it's still not working. Interesting. Reloading history from server, but it's not moving the chart. Very interesting. I'm gonna try to disconnect and reconnect, maybe. Not sure if that helps. So some issue with the connection on MyFundedFutures. Never really had an issue with them with the DX feed. I mean, this is by far the first small glitch that they're having. Hopefully they will do something. Yeah, so something is going on with Quantower. And I have to check it. My Quantower is the latest version. Yeah, something's going on with Quantower. It seems like on MyFundedFutures. Okay. You need the cheat code? We all do. Yeah, everybody has the same, it seems like. You're in a video game. My player is a real noob. Expected levels. Let's see, Penny. Let's see. Good morning, Ollie. Good morning. Let's see some levels here. Okay. First of all, yesterday, it was actually, for me, it was the most difficult day. Though I had worse days before, yesterday was, I think, the most difficult day for me. Yesterday was very difficult for me. I was so much into the shorts. I mean, I really wanted to go short. First of all, Let's just put the new day opening gap here on Tuesday, okay? Because that could be interesting. Tuesday. Let's put on that new day opening gap. That will be significant later on, I think. So here it is. New day opening gap. New day opening gap. Tuesday high. Okay, just a second. So that could be significant for later. We never know. And as for levels, let's see. Jó reggel, Csipesz. Welcome. Send me a Discord. Just a second, Dominic. I'm seeing your writing. Okay, just a second. Let me see the levels first. What's happening here? Asia low would be here. 926. Seems like we're going there. Yeah, it pretty much seems like we're going there. Why? Because there's a 5-minute fair value gap also. Now that I look at it, pretty much seems like we have a strong chance to get there. Look at that. It's gonna get there. 5-minute BC. Right there. Look at this. I'm actually a little bit tempted to jump into something here. But the MyFundedFutures chart just frozen. What the hell? How far is this? Not too far. Maybe for a scalp. And yeah, look at that. 26. It might go down. What's that level? 26, 25. Come on, let me check it. 26. Maybe 26.50. Not sure. I think it wants to go down there. I think we will go down there. Anyway, what other levels do we have? We have a nice little supply area up there. So I will be watching this one too. Right there. It would be nice to see the market take some liquidity from down there. It would be interesting to see that. We don't have any news now, so okay, we have that. What else? For Asia highs, not sure. I mean, today's high would be a good possibility right there. Can this be Asia high at 970? I'm not sure. We have higher highs here after 6 p.m., but I would consider that as Asia high for now because the market's opened at after 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. So I would consider that as a possible level. No, I'm waiting, Penny. I'm not doing anything here. I'm curious if it wants to take liquidity from that gap. So I want to see if it wants to get some liquidity from down below first, you know, before we engage anything or into anything. It might not happen. It might happen. We don't know. And we still have time, so yeah, let's just wait and see of what is going on here. Let's just wait for price to show us what is the direction. If it takes liquidity from down there, I just want to see what happens after that. Good morning, Ashevs. Yeah, exactly. For now, I mean, who knows what's gonna happen? The 900 level? Well, I mean, we all like the round numbers here, and you know anything can happen. At 900, we have this beautiful sell side. I mean, the swing low, quite interesting. 899 on the micro. Uh, 898.75 on the micro. So I guess we'll see. Also looks like a possible demand zone. So who knows? Who knows? For now, we're just waiting. Trying to understand what's happening here. All right. Yeah, so far that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Oh yeah. Exactly. Benny, I know how it is. It's hard to be patient. it's hard. But first, let's see the 5-minute as well. As I said, we have a possible supply area up there. Not sure what's the deal with that. We have the new 5 and 15-minute candle in a few seconds. So I guess we will know. New candles. Nothing special for now. And how about with the news? No news in the London session. So far. We'll see. Yeah, I trade gold sometimes, and I watch the charts. So far, I mean, I started to do some markups myself here on gold. Yeah, I just put the vertical line there. Quick look on gold. Seems like previous day high up there, previous day low on gold. On the 5-minute, there is nothing special to see for now. Yeah. We have some levels, some zones, but nothing special. So, no specific levels that I like so far. So I'm just still waiting of what NQ wants to do. Tudor, good morning. How are you, Tudor? Pivot point trader. Oh, you got long at 9:31 just after return. Nice. Let's go. You're in shorts. Yeah, there's a small fair value gap down there. I'm not saying it's mandatory that we approach it right now. It can obviously turn around, but it's just interesting to see on the 5-minute. We had this candle 26.25. We have the exact same candle 26.25. Let's look at the mini. You know, just check it out. Low of this candle was 27, and the low of this candle was 26. Now that's interesting. So the mini went lower in the Asia session. Still, it created an Asia low, but also this here could be a possible demand zone at 911. I don't know. Am I cooked? I'm for like 10 minis. What? 10 minis low. I got in at 52. 52 is a good entry point. It's a good entry point. With 10 minis. I don't know if you're cooked or not. We can see anything on these levels. Again, the 5-minute has a supply area up there, but we also have liquidity below, so it's up to NQ right now. To show us. Could be turning around, like now. Oh, the pivots. Okay. And the only news we have today is we have Trump speaking, right? In the New York session. All we can do is wait. We still have time until London. Macro is coming in like 39 minutes. Nobody knows what's the play here. A little bit of a push again. Might want to revisit that supply zone up there. And also there's a minor supply zone, should be breaking the 47. Any reasons in price go high? Yeah, well, I mean, on the 5-minute, we have this supply area starting at 53. It could go back there, maybe even break it and take Asia high first and then go down. I think everybody wants to go short now. Everybody. So that's why this one is a tricky one. How far is that? It's like 10 points up there in that supply area, so it can just pop there any second. We don't know. Bit of a difficult area here. Penny knows what's the play. Yeah. Yeah, seems like it wants to go there. Maybe even break the highs at the 64s. Should be sweeping this high at 47. I think. Lost is bullish. Let's go. Now, right now it's sweeping the high. Okay. And now it's all green to go above 53. Or not. We don't know. We don't know. But this looks like it wants to go up there. Five-minute order block formed. Yeah. Yeah. All-time high 400. Ooh, that's a good target. I mean, this market is just keeps going up, you know, no stopping. There's just no stopping at this market. Let's see what it does. Picking up some orders here on this gap. It's a nice entry to go long, by the way. To the highs of 54. I'm watching also if I see something good to take a few points. The volume is still low. The 30-minute candle, the 15 and the 5 is going to be closing soon in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Maybe that will show us something. So we'll see. Just waiting. It feels like it wants to test that 54, but we have liquidity below, and it's just, you know, hard to decide what it really wants. New candle is coming in 25 seconds, so we might see something. We'll see. What it wants. Here we go. Went a little bit lower. Not too much. Still tricky, let's say. Still a tricky one. I'm still not sold on the idea that it will go short. It feels like it wants to pop that 54. What's the high there? 53 maybe. Feels like it might want to pop that level. To sweep some players. Six-hour chart. Well, still waiting here. To see what it wants to do. Nothing so far. Bit of a bullish flag thingy. Maybe it might want to go down. But this one is a tricky one. Just going sideways here. Hey, 10 points, what's up? Gold look like nothing this session, yeah. Have you used server before to host your trading software? I don't know what you mean there. Your trading software. I don't understand the question. Void at 58. Oh yeah, that could be also a target. Yeah, resets are 35 at Apex. Yeah. What a slow price action. Yeah, no volume here. I was kind of hoping that it will start to go to some direction real fast, but you know, we're just in the middle. But volume is definitely turned down here. Don't understand what the market really wants here. We still have 12 minutes until the macro. Still don't get it. Yeah. What's the figure? Oh, that's a PUBG figurine from the video game PUBG. That's from PUBG. Here. Because I like to play this video game, although I suck at it because I'm a very bad player, but I play this. And so I got this years ago. So that's it. That's the short story behind it. Yeah. Trading servers. I'm not using trading servers. I'm just using my computer, and I'm using Quantower, if that's what you're asking, and that's it. I'm not using any like trading servers or. All right, what this gonna do? Is it gonna try to grab that liquidity now, or what's the play here? What do you guys think? Is this sweeping now, finally? Because it didn't give me any kind of entry. Ah. You know why I'm mad? I'm mad because I really wanted to get into the scalp. And that's why I was watching. I'm sorry that I wasn't replying to the chat. I was watching like every minute candle because I wanted to catch this scalp into the 5-minute BC. I was like, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. I was watching every down candle to give me some kind of an entry, and it didn't happen. Then I was starting to lose hope, and then boom, it just goes down. I was feeling this so much in my bones that this 26 is, and it would have been a beautiful scalp for me. Anyway. Sorry, I was just really onto making this, but anyway, it is what it is. Sorry, everybody. Tron, hey there. What I win? You need 5K or $5? 5K, okay. I have to make a phone call. Since this week, my NinjaTrader keep giving me delayed data until New York session. What? That's interesting, 10 points. By the way, maybe, just maybe, not because I don't like Quantower, but maybe I'm going to try NinjaTrader for a short while. Because I'm also trying to my friend who was coding this set of indicators, he made it to NinjaTrader as well. That's one reason. Other reason is that I might want to change the stream layout a little bit so you guys can see all my accounts and how am I doing. And of course I have Replicanto full license, so I should be able to copy trade between prop firms. But I'm not sure yet. I love Quantower, that's the deal. I think Quantower is just awesome, and I'm still hesitating. Anyway, is the Apex rhythmic data supposed to be delayed? No, it should be on the tick, on the second, so no delay. Long in Apex, short in take profit. That's how you do it. You see? That's the That's a prop gamer. Hey, Michael Nordberg. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. I play poker, but I'm a very bad poker player. Online poker sometimes. I have like $30 on my account at PokerStars, but that's it. So Jesus didn't want you in, protecting you. You shall see. Okay, Tron. So sorry everyone, I wasn't reading the chat. Let me scroll it back. By the way, Bulenox is back to 75%. I know it's not 91, but hey, 75% on Bulenox option 1 accounts is better than nothing. I think, I'm not sure when we're gonna see 91 again, since they're competing with Apex, and Apex is pretty much rumors is that Apex, they want to raise the bar a little bit. They don't want to really go with cheap upfront costs, even if they lose clients. They, Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and some others, they're pretty much aiming for that $80 to $90 evaluation accounts, and some of them has activation fees. Now, rumors saying that Apex might be aiming for the same marketing. Like, obviously they are heavily relying on evaluation fees, just like every other prop firm, but this way they might lower the number of schemers and players in the system. That's all I heard. Was reading on some forums and Reddit and some Discord names, but that's it. It's not confirmed, it's just a rumor, nothing else. TP smacked? Yeah, I mean, if you talking about the 26, yeah. I was mad because we didn't take that. Le Trader debutant. Hi. Hello, Le Trader. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. All right. What else do we have? I like to see price go into 953 here. Seems like MyFundedFutures still having issues with the server. Connection settings. No. Maybe what you can do, if you want to put on a trade, you can still use Volumetric on their website. Worst case scenario, if you don't want to lose, to miss out the entry, you can still put the trade on their dashboard, I think. By the way, yesterday I got the other $1,200 from MyFundedFutures, so that's $2,400 from MyFundedFutures this month, which is, I know it's not a big number for many of you guys. For me, it's a good number. And I still have the account, all of them. But this time they were very slow. MyFundedFutures were very slow. So I requested the payout and it took them 4 minutes to approve me. But it took them another hour to transfer the money to my account. They were very slow. Last week they did it in 9 minutes. 9 minutes it was in my account. But anyway, just joking around. They were very fast. I was paid out within like 70 minutes from requesting the money. So last time it was 9 minutes. I was like, what the heck? 9 minutes. Marshall MMA, what's going on? Am I the only one who thinks that this is just a slow session again? Hopefully. Hey Naomi, thank you. Yeah, for January, for me Naomi, honestly, to my standards and to my achievements, quote unquote achievements in trading, you know, that's a very good one. Even if I can't get another payout, I requested the payout from Apex, $740 as well. There's 99% chance it's gonna get denied because there was a day I told you guys that I went over $1,000 with one particular trade because I was a bit on tilt and I added to the trade. It worked out, but I remember I was letting it go below $1,000, so I violated the 30% rule. But since I'm not sure, I just made a request, and if I get denied, it's no problem because I want to build it up to $4,000 to request the maximum 2K per account. But 99% that I'm gonna get denied on Apex for sure. But still, I keep on building them. One of the Apex accounts are actually at $3,339, so getting closer to 4,000. And all of the other accounts are eligible for payouts. So I'm gonna request a payout tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll see. And after I requested the payout, I'm just gonna trade them separately, so one by one, most likely. I'm only copy trading again the Bulenox accounts because I just restarted them. Maybe I shouldn't. I realized that I start to go crazy when I do copy trading. It gets me emotionally. So until I cannot, you know, cross that bridge, I just have to trade my accounts separately because when I do that, it's fine. I can manage my emotions when I trade my accounts separately. But anyway, you're in shorts again on NQ 913. Yeah, so we have, if you look at the 5 minute here, I'm a little bit scared now until London Open. But here's a demand area or bullish order block. Boom. Starting here on this 5 minute candle, picking liquidity from these lows and pushing it higher. So yeah. By the way, I do have this Excel sheet. I have to change the color because it's just maybe to this. So this is how much. These are only my funded accounts currently. I forgot to put the Tradeify account here. So I will try to, you know, upgrade. I mean, keep updated about this. How much money I've spent on the account, how much was the activation fee, did I receive the payout, and there's going to be a separate table here which is going to say how much money I've spent on, for example, Bulenox evaluation accounts year to date, Apex evaluation accounts year to date, and so on. So the ones that are failed, obviously. So I'm going to keep on track how much money I've spent on failed accounts, how much payouts I had, and how much these were cost to me. And, you know, I will try to push this number up as much as possible. So I think that's also something to look at, especially if you're treating day trading, especially with prop firms, as a business. Like this is a business, and how much you're spending on business costs, how much is the net income from trading these prop firms. That really matters. So I'll try to stay in the green. Agita, hey there. By the way, next week there's gonna be a Take Profit Trader giveaway. I'm gonna put it out to the community tab how it's gonna work out. But there might be a 150k account as well, but there will be at least one 50k account. But details are coming out to the community tab, and I'm gonna talk about it most likely tomorrow on Friday. Yeah, so, and we're gonna pick the winner on next Friday at the end of the month. So that's it. Sponsored by Take Profit Trader. Maybe to 900 actually. I don't know if anyone is in or not, but it's not financial advice. 900. Yeah, I mean the 900 is definitely a good level. All right, all right. We're just waiting here. We have some good levels in both directions. I feel like the 911 would be a good target for scalps here in the London Open. I think it could be tagged easily. Oh well. Nasdaq just stopped here again. We have SMT. Let's see. Let's see. Still swimming in this 5-minute BC. Didn't go down to 11. We have London Open in less than 1 minute. Okay, London Open, London Open. Are we going down to 911? It seems like to me that we might do. Yeah, look at that, 911. Boom, demand area. Come on, should be popped. I'm not in a trade, but it's quite exciting. And the low of that is down there at 98. There you go. All right. There we go. And now we should be taking out 98. Yeah. Or at least that's the 900, right? Good morning, Simple Peter. Does Bulenox still require one to trade 5 days? No, it's 1 day pass, Simple Peter. They changed the rules. Bulenox is a few weeks for since like a month ago or something. Bulenox is 1 day pass from now on, just like Apex. So you can pass it in 1 day, request the activation the other day. You still have to request the activation manually. So the activation process is still around 2 or 3 business days, but no 5 days. 1 day pass. That's it. 1 day pass. No problem. MyFundedFutures is definitely having a connection issue on the DX feed. I don't know what's going on. But at least on Quant Tower, the charts are frozen. Maybe on the dashboard, it's okay. But on the website dashboard on Volumetrica, it could be okay. But on Quant Tower, it's not working. It's just not doing it. All right. No, I don't have a code. 10 points. I was thinking to pick them up as affiliate, but since I wasn't using them, there was. You can use Nutty Bar's code NBT, I think, in Replicanto. I know he's affiliated with them. It wicked 4 points from my TP. If it turns here, it'll be kind of pissed. Oh, kind of pissed, yeah. Phoenix AVS, hey, from Cali. The salsa dancing capital of South America. I love that. I love that entry. Doing great, doing great. Welcome. Good to see you again. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. My brother from another mother. Yeah, yeah. Awesome. How you doing? How you doing, Phoenix? How's the trades? How is everything? Going to 800. Who knows? On the 5 minute, sorry, this is the 3 minute. I don't know why I'm on the 3 minute. So there is still the 900 there. It might not want to test it. It might going to bounce from here. So careful. Likewise. MBFM. My brother from another mother. Something like that. Good to see you, man. Good to see you too. Well, so far as we checked it, doing great. Okay. As far we are in trading the same. Yeah. I'm on the micro though, but hey. I don't know what this one might see a bounce here, and this level up there is, I mean, it could be interesting for later now that we have taken Asia lows, you know. For some reason price didn't go for the 900 yet, so still just waiting. MNQ here as well. All right. I can't take it on the mini. I'm just not strong enough anyways for the mini. The mini is just, it's for big players, not for me. I'm just swimming with the micros. That's what she said, right? Anyway. When you take evals, you also trade micros, or you trade? Oh yeah. I trade minis mostly on evaluation accounts. If I go crazy, and I always go crazy, unfortunately, on evaluations. I 98% of the time I trade micros on all of my funded accounts. Yes, I tend to go up to, for example, 8 or 10 micro, which is a full mini, but that happens when I just don't have time to switch between accounts and tabs or whatnot, and I just go in with 8 or 10 micro. Hey, Dashon Ulis, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to the stream and to the channel. So yeah, 8 AML holding strong for now. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, so it might try to attempt to test the 900. We'll see. Glad to be here. Well, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. By the way, today and tomorrow is the last day of the Tick Tick Trader discount for the instant funded account. So it's only on the 100K and on Project X or Tradeovate. So it's narrowed down, but instead of 600 something, you can get an instant funded account from Tick Tick Trader for $359 or $69 with the discount. So just saying, today and tomorrow, the code is TomSabo250. That's gonna give you $250 discount from the main price. That's it. Just saying, tomorrow is the last day because they extended the sale until tomorrow, but only on the 100K account. So instant funded. You're going long at the 900. Let's see. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting area here because for a brief moment it seemed to me that it wants to test the 900. It can still go there, but obviously we're close, and we have the 898 as the sell side of that demand area. So I don't know. No. I'm not trading supply and demand. The only thing, so I don't have a supply and demand model or anything. The only thing I do is because these here, this is basically an order block up there with the bullish candles. I mean, this ICT calls this order block. In other words, it's called supply. That's it. It's the same. It's the same. So I'm basically trading ICT order block, but nowadays I tend to call it LP zone maybe, but LP for Ushman. But it's the same basically. It's absolutely. And if you look to the left here, bullish order block by ICT, but some call it demand area with this bearish candle and then pushing higher. So shifting structure. So demand zone here with this. So it's basically the same. Order blocks in this area and supply and demand is, we can call it whatever we want. It's the same. Yeah. Yeah. Hey MB, which is the best prop firm as TopStep has currently made payment amount changes? MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. That's it. I do trade with Apex and Bulenox too, and I have most of my payouts from Bulenox and Apex. So I still love Bulenox, and I do tend to trade with Apex for the long term. I hope they will stay. But I think, you know, regarding all the policies and support and payout system and everything, MyFundedFutures, and of course the cost of business, MyFundedFutures is by far the cheapest, by the way, because there is no activation fee, especially if you go with the starter account, which is more than enough. 20% discount on the starter plus, by the way, right now. No activation fee, no daily loss limit. You know, check it out. So those are the two. That's why I said I'm going to trade more on MyFundedFutures, and thank God made it to 2 payouts this month with them. And I'm aiming for Take Profit Trader daily payouts, just like with MyFunded. I mean, there's no minimum trading days. So you can just request a payout. Oh, or is there? Take Profit Trader changed also some of those rules, but the payout system is very fast. I got paid out from MyFundedFutures in 9 minutes last week. Yesterday they were super slow. I got paid out in 70 minutes, so a little bit more than an hour. I was pissed off. 9 minutes it was on my account last week. 9 minutes. That's how fast they were. Early morning trading. Yeah. Sold for 914. Okay. Out. Which is the best? I mean, if you're not risking too much, if you go with micros, definitely the starter or the starter plus. The starter plus is now on discount, and there's no daily loss limit. But I have to tell you, I was on tilt like a few times on that account. I'm trading my accounts since a while with them, and I hit the daily loss limit on one of my accounts 3 times. And the daily loss limit was the one that saved me from blowing the whole account on full tilt. And I came back the other day and I managed to survive, I guess. So, managed to survive. And that's what happened. So it's personal preference, I guess. Cedric, hey. Good morning, Cedric. I have trouble going long. Staking, yeah. Yeah, definitely Phoenix. The market definitely has its mind. So we took out this zone. You know what? I'm gonna call these zones demand or the block zone, whatever. Because these zones are like to be taken out. It's repeating all the time. Can you make it sure how to copy trade accounts to different preference? With TradeAwait, I'm not using TradeAwait. I only have one account at Tradeify on TradeAwait, but obviously I can show you a tutorial on TradeAwait. But I only have one account there, so it's maybe I can do a copy trade on the on a demo account. So yeah, why not? MyFundedFutures says no drawdown. Do they have an activation? No activation fee on MyFundedFutures. They said no more activation fee, but obviously the cheapest account is right now 90 something or 90 bucks. I don't know, the starter. As I said, there's a 20% discount on Starter Plus. And if you're a brand new customer with MyFundedFutures and you're registering as a brand new customer and your first purchase on the Starter Plus account, you're going to get a 40% discount only once on your first purchase. If you use my code or the best code. But yeah, with the discount code, there is a 40% first purchase discount. Starter Plus and Starter is basically the daily loss limit, and the consistency rule is higher on the Starter Plus, only on evaluation phase. So 50%, but there's no consistency on the funded phase. So a little bit more advantage. But as I said, the daily loss limit saved me. Top Step is great, obviously. Top Step is OG, biggest. So one of the biggest. You can start a live account with them with a max. Are they really my Top Step is still the best primary policy. I don't know. Do they give you $250,000 on a live funded account? Because as far as I heard, they only putting your XFA profits on a live account. I don't know. I'm just asking. As far as I heard, the ones who they call to a live account, what they do is they sweep your XFA profits and put them on a live account. That's how it works. So it's, for example, you have like $15,000 on your XFAs. That's what's going to be your live account. I don't know. Yeah. It's just for only for first month. Oh, I didn't know that. I don't know. I'm not. I think it's for lifetime, not for the first. Yeah, sorry, JP. It's lifetime for that particular account. Even if you blow the account, you're still. Yeah, that's 100% sure. If you blow the account, you're still gonna get rebuilt with the discount 40%. So that account is going to stay at 40% discount, even if you unfortunately will blow the account. Yeah. TP smacked. Congratulations. To max of 50k XFA. I don't know. Oh, 5 times 50k. Usually take out 50% payout when they switch to live. Yeah. So that's why at least that's all I know. Funding traders launched their future prop 2. Oh. Nice. Everybody wants to break into futures. Does that mean once compared results? What do you mean? If there is no evaluation, does that mean once completed results in a payout? Yeah, exactly. So if you point, yeah. So if you're talking about that would be the instant funded account. So for example, MB Trader, that would be the milestone account. The milestone account, obviously it's an expensive one. That's an instant funded account. No evaluation there on the milestone account. It's a very simple account. You have to make $3,000 on the account on a 50k, and you can withdraw $2,000. It's that simple. Super simple. The instant funded accounts with MyFundedFutures. Make $3,000, withdraw $2,000. That's it. Yeah, I would consider this as a sweep, by the way. Dashao, I would consider this. Now this is a sweep now. It happened. And now I would be looking for some higher targets, which I'm going to do, by the way. So I'm switching down here. And I'm going to be looking for some levels. VIP from the eye. Did you guys sign up for Top Step VIP? No, I didn't. Top Step, you can see call up for new live traders with payouts starting live. Whoa, nice. You're gonna sell. Okay, now we have something here. I might have to log into never mind. There's a small liquidity void left down there, which I don't like on the mini. I don't like that. Otherwise, I like the idea that we should go higher. Looking at some levels here. So, wait, has instant? Yes, they have instant funded account, James. It's called the milestone account. The instant fund. I'm going to show you. Here you go. It's called the milestone account. Still waiting for an entry here anyway. So here you go. The milestone account. Obviously, it's not cheap. The instant funded account, and there's no discount on it. You can try the code. It might give you a 5% discount on bank wire transfer. If not, you can still give some credit. But hey, $445, and it's very simple. All you have to do is make $3,000, and you can get a $2,000 payout. That's it. That's all. That's how simple. No daily loss limit. End of day drawdown. Max drawdown though is $2,000. You can go in with maximum 3 contracts. But there is a 20% consistency rule. I think it's doable. Obviously, other prop firms with instant funded accounts has the same 20%. They don't want windfall traders on the instant accounts. But hey, I think it's absolutely doable. So $600 on a day max, I think it's absolutely possible. And it's way good. So that's it. Make 3,000, get 2,000. And if you can make 4 withdrawals from the account, you're gonna be put to a live account. So you're restarting. These are the milestones. First milestone, second milestone, third milestone, etc., etc., etc. So, VVN, hey there. Good to see you. Okay, it seems like this is a classic ICT entry in the making. I might take it on an evaluation account. I'm a little bit scared to jump in. I'm taking it on an eval and on a Buley eval. And I'm gonna add maybe one more. I took it with one full mini. I don't want to I don't know. I'm not sure I want to go in with the funded account on this one. I got into a long. So here's my position. But there is a liquidity void down here. So we might see price coming back down there. My target would be, I don't know. That's no. Maybe up there. Now my target will be at the 950. 940, actually 947.25. That's it. How do you feel about waiting until 5-minute candle close? Well, it could be, it's a good idea, I guess. You're at 43 on 76 funded account. What the hell? 76? What you doing there, Tron? Of course it's good. What the heck? 76 funded accounts. Starter Plus, yeah. So where is it? Starter Plus. Here it is. Starter Plus, there's a discount on this. It comes with 127, but now it's 20% off, or 40 if you're first customer. No activation fee, obviously. No daily drawdown. No daily drawdown. No scaling rule. Consistency rule is 50%, 40% on the starter, but on the Starter Plus it's 50. Micro scaling, well, it's not that bad. It's 5-1. You can still trade micros. 5 micros, 5 or 10 micros. Minimum profit per day is 100, so that's what counts as a trading day to be eligible for payouts. So minimum days is 5. Once you have 5 trading days above $100, you can request a payout. That's it. So there you go. I mean, the starter account, which only has the 50K account, has, oh, it doesn't have scaling rule anymore. Doesn't have activation fee. I think the funded account has a scaling rule. Yeah, here the funded account has a scaling rule. Funded account has a 40% consistency rule. Yeah, so starter plus a little bit better, a little bit more advantage. Anyway, whoa! I think I just got out from this position. Ah, yeah, we just sweeping a new low again. It's gonna take me out. I'm afraid so. I'm still holding up 25k master. Oh yeah, they had the 25ks. Don't let it go. Don't let it go, Naomi. Did you go long? Yeah, but this is only on an evaluation account. But I did go long from here with 1 mini on a Bulenox Eval. So, yeah. Can you wait to prove strength that enter and pull back with less risk? What? Oh, you can wait. Yeah. The problem is I was afraid of that it's going to reprice this void, but now there's a high chance that it's just going to pop the lows again. But I'm still okay. This account is still up about $700, this eval, so I'm all right. Still has a lot of drawdown to go. 800. Alex is saying 800. I'm gonna check out what's happening at 800. Oh yeah, the new day opening gap still awaiting. You know what? I think you're right. I think you're right. Yeah. 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 It looks like it's going. No, I mean I had one issue, Vivian. I had one issue with Rise. It was last year. I sent a payout to my bank account from Rise, and it was on a Thursday. Yeah, so I know that there was the weekend, and I sent it, and on the dashboard it was saying it was still saying processing, on the window it said processing. So there come the Friday, and of course the weekend it was still saying processing. And on Monday or Tuesday, I think I already sent a message to support that, hey, I did not receive the payout, and it's still saying processing. And it just I just got a message in email that, oh, we are sorry, but we were unable to credit the money onto your bank account. Please check with your bank, blah blah blah. So some message like, I was checking with my bank, and I was telling everything to them, the amount and some details, and they were saying to me that there was never any transaction coming from this company because they saw that I received money from them before. So the account manager told me on the phone that yes, he knows which company is this, but their bank did not receive any money because Rise told me that it got reversed to their bank. So I was a little bit in like, what the hell is going on? So what I did is just resent it, and the next day it arrived. So I guess it was a technical glitch on Rise, but that was the only issue I had. But since then, what I do is I transfer everything in crypto. Like 90% I transfer everything in crypto wallet, and from crypto wallet there is a provider that I send it in USDC, and I just convert it and puts it on my bank account. That's it. Oh my god, I'm way behind the chat, sorry. Liquidity void is a gap basically where there was no trading. I'm sorry, I have to real quick here. I'm gonna talk about that, Michael. Yeah, 76 accounts. Come look at the gold daily. We broke upside. Oh, wedge. No, maybe retest. Let's check on gold. The daily, they're saying. Yeah, I think so. I think gold is gonna go. I'm definitely bullish on this. I think on the big picture, gold should be bullish. So Bulenox is currently down. It's 75% discount. So I don't know how much is that. It's like $30 something. Bulenox currently is at 75%. So they ended the 91%. Let's go. Try to use. You got an error? Try it now. It should be working. Because on the weekend they ended the promo. Now it's on 75%. Do you pay? Oh yeah, I pay. Oh god, don't tell me. Now I have to pay again a lot. Because the crypto account comes to my small company, but no, sorry, it's a new thing. The previous payouts came to my personal account, and I have to pay a lot of tax as an individual, a lot, like almost 40%, like 40% basically, a lot of tax. James, try it again. Let me know, even if you don't buy an account. Just type in the code just to see on the option 1 account if it gives you a discount. You might have to switch in between just to see if the code is giving you a discount. It should be working. Activation fee is $148 on the 50k account. The 100k is much more expensive. It's like 230 or something, but don't go over 50k, I would say. So you have monkeys pushing the buttons. Amro, I would set it up in Dubai, but I just don't have that kind of income. I talked about this with an accountant, and also there's a company here in Hungary which is their profile is to make companies in Dubai, but the cost just to make the company in Dubai, it costs me like $10,000 to $15,000 at least. So $10,000 to $15,000 just to establish the company on paper, and there's of course yearly costs, and it's mostly good if you're making above $10,000 to $15,000 or higher per month. About the bank fees, transactions, all that such, paperwork up, there's also, at least that's what they told me. I don't know. That's what they told me. Thank you, Phoenix. They're robbing me. I don't know how much is to make a Dubai company with bank account. I need the bank account. I need a director. Like, I need a director there, I think. Afghanistan, no taxes. Around 5K. Oh, they're robbing me for sure. $800 is glowing red. Then that's where we're going. Oops, I've made a mess here. Yeah, the new day opening gap high. Look at that. At 800. Looks like that way. Oh man, yeah. It does look like it. A little bit tempted to jump in. To be honest, it seems like it's water falling down. Like there's no tomorrow. Wants to close that that gap. 40 points, like 20. Yeah, it's a you can just buy a Visa and set at home and trade. Just a Visa, that's all. So I can just make a bank account, for example, in Dubai as a private individual, private person. 5K plus travel every 6 months in. Yeah, they also told me something like that. So I have to travel in person to Dubai to do some paperwork about the accounting. And I don't know. I don't know what kind of visa. I'm not sure. So I don't know the details too much. They just gave me a price estimate. So congratulations, Eric. Nice job. Look at that. It's water falling. Need one more day of 150k profit. You blow 90% of accounts at this stage. Just Steam. Go with the smallest positions. Okay, if it takes a few more days, who cares? Just go with one micro, wait for the setup. Don't worry, you can make it with one or two micros. And if you lose the trade and you lose like $50 or $100 or 150, so what? It's gonna take you a little bit more time. That's all. Steam, try to go, try to go with lower size. Yeah, no reason to chase. Yeah, Tron. And thank you for saying, because I was tempted to jump in. Yeah, I was a little bit tempted to chase this, at least on a scalp, but I'm not gonna. I just can't. I'm gonna wait for a pullback or retrace. You buy a Visa and you ask your, for example, on Visa, and after that you can open a bank account. That's how easy. Oh my God, thank you, Tamimi. I'm gonna look after this. I mean, 3 times the price, or they had a huge increase. Yeah. Eric is short on gold. Satoshi has 7k buffer. Let's go. Yeah, go for those payouts. Yeah, 7k buffer, dude. Take some payouts, because, it's not just about Bulenox. None of the prop firms like those kind of traders who are accumulating profits on a simulated funded account. So that's just demo. So do not accumulate for too long. Just take what you can. First payout, congratulations. Take what you can. I'll do that for you for 5k. 5k? Alright, alright. Tron can help me out in that situation for 5k. Alright, I'm gonna think about it. Yeah, nice job. First of 25, yes. First of 2025, yes. This year. That's fine. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know, Satoshi. I remember. I remember you got payouts. You said it. That's why I'm saying congratulations on the first payout on 2025. Satoshi is killing it. What email did you use to contact Rise? I'm gonna just a second. Actually, I left them a message on. Hold on. I left them a message. No. 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 I'm gonna find that email. I think, the way it happened is I left a message there on their chat. I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, so here's the email. Here's the email from Rise that when the issue happened. So that was the only reason. So unfortunately, your withdrawal of 3,296 was returned to us by your bank, and we have credited your account. So yeah, I left them a message. Your payment was returned. That's the title of the topic of the message. Your payment was returned. That was the only issue, and it came from hello@riseworks.io. That's it. hello@riseworks.io. There's that's it. But yeah, I messaged them. When payout. Oh. Saying transfer failed, but my balance is showing 0 and the withdrawal process. Rice says I have to wait until the funds available. Yeah, Vivian, the same thing happened to me as well. So exactly this email I just showed here that the money has returned. I was waiting for, I think, 1 or 2 days. Sorry, yeah, it took like 24 hours or something until the balance was showing the amount that has been recredited to my Rise account. I don't know how much time until the funds are. So I don't know how much time passed there, Vivian. But for me, I think it took like 24 hours. I was constantly checking, like, what the hell? I was a little bit nervous. It was like over $3,000, and I was like, what the hell is going on? But then in about 24 hours, it got recredited to my balance at Rise. I requested the payout again, and then it worked. Need the toys like horror music for the winners. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I don't think I want to enter long here. I'm super scared to go long. It seems like it just wants to take out previous day low. 39. So we're so close, everyone. We're so close, and we still have equity open. You know, I would say they're fast. You know, I left them a message, and I usually got a response on their chat in about 1 or 2 hours. But there was also an occasion where I got response in like 2 minutes. But also there was one where I got a response in 2 hours. But usually they reply, of course. Top step X shows. Oh, Camille, hey there. Top step X not having it. Oh, Suarez is working. Oh, it's working again. Okay. Right, let's go, Phoenix. Yeah, I think we're going down to the 40s. I'm still tempted to chase it. But look at that. Oh, man. How much did we go from the midnight level here? No, sorry, it's not good. 100 points. It's going to take out 840. Jesus. Could have entered here on this drop at 887. My indicator from the future tells me that gold might want to sweep some lows. This one is gonna keep on dropping. NQ is unstoppable. Okay, we have a retracement here. What should I do, right? See you in the New York session, Seraphin. Thank you for joining. Feels like this is, or this could be an entry level. Alright, enter to a short on an evaluation account. I'm targeting 41.50. I'm not entering on this on a funded. So one of the reasons was this. Whoa, what just happened? Mega H3 just subscribe to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for joining the stream. Yeah, that was the reason I entered, because it picked up liquidity from that gap. And if the drawn liquidity is previous day low and the new day opening gap from Tuesday, then who knows, you know. Who knows what's it gonna be? Let's go. Phoenix says, unless it's gonna no entry yet. Yeah. Well, too late for me, I guess. But again, I'm not doing anything crazy on the funded accounts at this point. We have equity open in about less than 4 minutes, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Uh-oh. This is not something I was looking for. Still looking for the drop here. The open. Oh yeah, I see. What is Uncle Trump speaking? Well, I don't know exactly. It's not written on Forex Factory. It could be any time. And most likely in the AM session sometime. So 11 a.m. is on the investing.com. Forex Factory doesn't say it. Oh yeah, it says. All right. Yesterday I checked it and there was no time for it. Yeah, 11 a.m. Sorry. In my time it's 5 p.m. But yeah, I clearly remember yesterday there was no time for it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get stopped out from this. Yeah, there's liquidity on the 15-minute all the way up to 95. So unfortunately my stop is in the way. Yeah. I also have a gold short from 2760.3. Looking for 2757.7, but that's only based on an indicator because I'm testing it. But otherwise I have no entry on gold. $876, that is the zone to start long entry. Right here. Oh, so maybe I should reverse then, right? Oh, oh. Should I cover the trade when it gets here and enter into a long? I guess I could. But we were just so close to previous day low. That's why I was thinking like maybe. So this is the area. Tempted to go for a long. But we are very, very close to previous day low. For NQ, going down to 840 is nothing. It's just a snap to go down, boom. And it's down at 840. And we have the new day opening gap from Tuesday down there. 800 is so close. That's why I'm a little bit scared. So far it seems like Phoenix is right. Pop from this gap. We'll see, I guess. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Hey, Cookie. I'm in a short, but only on an evaluation account. That's it. So nothing special. I'm in a short here, trying to target previous day low, and that's it. Only on eval. Yesterday was super difficult for me, and I did not want it to mess up my my brain in London session on a funded account this morning. So so yeah. Speed to the upside. We could. I'm checking for some 5-minute levels, but the only level I like, and I'm gonna get this off. Irrelevant now. This one as well. So it's way up there. Maybe this one on the 15-minute. 9:38. But at least popping this 9:17. I think I'm out almost from this trade. Yeah, so the issue is that it's going to take liquidity from the 15-minute fair value gap. And that's where my stop is. Closing my trade. Closed it. Speed incoming. Satoshi is saying speed is coming in. Nice turning point here, exactly where Phoenix said so. Man, I'm so tired. Okay. Here's the secondary entry. And 938 is that level up there. If this here breaks the 75, then it's gonna be previous day low. If it breaks the 75, which I think it will, it's gonna be previous day low. Yeah, exactly, Alex. It tapped the 15-minute, and now comes the drop. in my opinion. You know, getting through this 62.75 down there. Took a gold short. What do I think? Well, let's see, Greg. I'm also in a short on gold, but mostly because I think this is accumulating positions. It could be a manipulation lower, sweep some liquidity from the left, and then take it higher. We have almost relative equal lows down there. So with previous day low, it's very close to being taken out, and it's also an Asia low. So we have every statistical chance to go lower on gold, at least to sweep the 27.58.7, but I think it should go lower and maybe sweep some more sell side. So that's what I think. Yeah, I think gold is, for the short term, it's a short. Daniel, welcome. Draw a trend line on NQ. Okay, I'm drawing a trend line. I usually like to draw on the wick of the candles. Some of you, everybody draws the trend lines differently. Some of you guys are drawing it attached to the bodies. Some has it on the on an average, like open and close prices. So it depends on how you're drawing your trend lines. Wick is perfect, yeah. So this is not even a good. Yeah, so I'm just using this one. It's not gonna be perfect, but these are the two wicks on the 1 minute. Speed is not coming. What the hell is going on, Satoshi? Come on, man. Oops. How did this get here? 4 mini? Tom, what the hell is going on? 4 mini? No stop loss? I don't know. I don't know how this gets here. I have no idea how this one just got here. But anyway, since we have it there, why not? This is just evaluation, guys. Evaluation. I still got some of the $15 Bulenox accounts. I wouldn't do this on a $90 take profit trader account or MyFundedFutures account. So I would. This is a cheap Bulenox accounts. I still have a few of them. So just messing around here. Yeah, I know. Welcome to the dark side, right? No, I only do this if there is a super cheap upfront cost evaluation account, and I have quite a few of those. But with MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader, I always being cautious. Not like this. This is suicide, basically. Yeah. All right. I want to see this one go to previous day low. That's what I want to see. Waterfall down to previous day low. Don't do this at home, kids. This is not trading, just saying. So the analysis which I have is one, it's a different thing. But the way I entered this trade don't do this. Okay. We swept a 15-minute fair value gap, was one of the reasons, and also made a bearish formation on the 1 minute here. So I thought maybe, and I saw, and then I started to see that's coming down, so I entered, and that's all. What's the dollar? Oh, the price. 839.25. So 839.25 on the micro. All right, we got this. So 839.25. I'm still holding a gold short in a small profit now. We should be getting to 840.41. Early profit taking could be happening around 45. So if I would be holding a trade, I would want to get out around 45-ish. You know, it can bounce as closer it gets down to 42 or 41. It can bounce like 50, or how much is it? When it comes down to 42, it's gonna bounce like 25 points, boom, before it goes down again. So if I would be holding one, I would be getting out around 45, 46. Sorry, yeah, 45, 46-ish area would be my final TP for this. Waterfall, baby, waterfall. Let's waterfall. I'm not using fibs, James. The only thing I'm using fibs is to, I mean, I'm using it for retracement levels, but mostly the 50%, so the golden level. For example, like this. I put the fib, if there's a drop, I put it here, and I look for the 50% level, boom, that's it. Maybe the 61.8. These are the two things. I'm not using it for standard deviations, or to project the move or anything. The only simple thing I'm using it for is for the 50% or the 61.8 on a if I'm looking for a retracement. For example, here I did not enter here, but this is an example. That's it. But I'm not using it for projections or anything. Here we go. RSI at the lowest. Yeah, so Phoenix, the thing is with the RSI, it's a good thing, but if it's super low, oh man, you have to be cautious. I mean, obviously we can wait for a bounce can be happening any second if the RSI is that low. So you're right, have to be very, very cautious. But that's why we're also looking at these levels, right? But yeah, if I was trading with RSI, and I do trade with RSI as well sometimes because it's part of that mechanical system. But hey, my gold trade just hit the TP. Oh, nice. It hit the take profit. Awesome. Where was my TP? Hold on. Trades. Oh yeah, my TP was at 2757.7. To the tick. 2757.7 was my TP on gold. To the tick. Hey Reza, did you update your Excel sheet spending? Not yet. I have it still opened up here somewhere. I have so many tabs you guys wouldn't imagine. Yeah. I still have to update of how much I've spent this year. These are only some of the active, I mean the active funded accounts, except Tradeify is not here yet. But this year, 2025 so far, I've spent around. So I do have to overall with Apex. Bulenox, and I buy from Take Profit Trader and day traders about $1,000 more. About $1,000 of evaluations. Which ones are failed accounts as well? I still have some of them. So and I got rebilled for $32 this morning on Bulenox. So I'm gonna put this here. So overall this year I'm in the red. So it says 832 up, but if I count the evals, I'm gonna put it here. I'm still in the red. Yeah. But I did take 2 payouts, so it's here. 2 payouts. I requested the payout from Apex. Tomorrow I'm gonna request 2 more payouts from Apex. 100% sure I'm gonna get denied on at least 1 or 2. But moving on, you know, gold is melting. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh my God, what is happening? Whew. What is going on with gold? What? Gold is literally melting. The 1 hour level. $27.47.9. I'm not jumping in. I took profit down here at 27.57.7 up there. Here. But I was short from here. This one should be okay. So this 5-minute level here is a good one. I like this. The 5-minute looks very good to continue the shorts. You see, 55 bouncing back 20 points, and this is what we're gonna see until we're gonna hit the previous day low. Spent 5,535 and got paid 9,700. 4,100 was expecting much better. Hey, that is awesome. 4,100 net profit for 2025. That is a very good return. You know, you have invested $5,535 and you made $4,100 in profit in less than 1 month, in 23 days. Reza, that is awesome. 23 days. Tell me another business when you can put in $5,000 and you can get an extra $4,000 in 23 days. That is a very good business, Reza. That's a very, very good business. Who is the best platform trader on YouTube? Oh my God. Obviously it's me, but it's a secret. No. I don't know who's the best trader. I don't know who's the best trader. I guess soon the question will be who is the most transparent trader on YouTube. Because, you know, putting in a Lambo in the background doesn't necessarily mean that you're the best trader, although you're a good trader. But I would, you know, just like we were talking with Reza here, I would be curious, and I'm gonna do this on the stream for this year. I would be curious the net P&L, including how much money one put into activation fees, evaluation accounts year to date. So, you know, how much is the net profit? So if a big streamer or YouTuber claims to make big gains, I would gladly ask the question, awesome, please can you let us know how much money you spent this year on evaluation accounts and activation fees? I would be asking that question. Or if someone tells me, hey, last year I got $200,000 in payouts, I would say, awesome. I would still ask the same question. I'm not saying they're negative. I would be just curious to let us know. Maybe that person spent $100,000 on evaluation accounts and activation fees, still got an extra $100,000. So that's an excellent business, doubling your money in a year. But I would be asking this question. I think once Patrick Wieland said that last year he spent around $300,000 or more on evaluation accounts. I don't know if it's confirmed or not, or anyway. Who is the best? Yeah, melting down. Long now? I'm still waiting for 840 Satoshi. We're so close, and we have the new day opening gap. I'm still scared to go long here. I'm just scared to go long. You couldn't close your trade on trade await? Oh, what the hell? Which prop firm is that? Legal tender. It can still go down. How much was this pop here? 23. A Lambo will not fit in your room, but a toy Lambo, that could. I actually want to do a stream. If the weather gets better, because I have no heat down there, if the weather would be better, I can go down to make a stream, and I will bring my laptop. I will have my Mazda in the background. It's worth like $1,000. I will have my 2003 Mazda in the background, and I can tell you guys that, hey, I got this from a payout. Bulenox payout. The minimum is $1,000. You can get a car like this from a Bulenox payout. Actually, I'm gonna do that. I'm actually gonna do that. Nutty do that. Oh, nice. Yeah, Nutty. I know Nutty Bar does that. Yeah. Yes, dear spent 47K and got paid. That is an excellent profit, Reza. Excellent profit. So that's how you do business. Otherwise, I was up. Reza, that is how you do business. That is awesome. Personal account? What? Dude, legal tender, you have to write to TradeAwait support. You must contact them immediately. The car. So if the weather is going to be better, I'll bring down my laptop to the garage and I'm going to stream from next to my car. That would be awesome, I think. I think that would be just great. All right. What is happening? Oh yeah, a 1970s Yugo. Now that's a car. That is a nice car. Absolutely. That is a good one. I don't know what's going on with the price now. What is going? Oh my god. Gold just shit the bed. I'm sorry. What the heck is going on? Gold really shit the bed here. Oh my god, it's gonna go down for that sell side. I wasn't sure that it's gonna drop like this big, but hey, it seems like it is. All right, everybody, I'm not going to take any trade. I did some good gold trades, so here's the accounts so far. I haven't traded on the new evaluation accounts. I made $1,600 on that short, and on the gold short I also made 1,600 on this one. These are evaluations, but doesn't matter. I haven't traded on the MyFundedFutures accounts, but on the Apex accounts I managed to make $172 on the short with gold. This one is up 3,339. I made $208 on this Apex account, eligible for a payout now. This account made $216, eligible for a payout now. And this account is still under review, so no trade on this. So overall, in the green. The Bulenox accounts, the new ones, have not been traded this morning. Technically at break even, a few dollars below the 50k level. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This was an exciting session. I'll be back for the New York session, of course. And oh well, I did what I could. Yeah, so thank you everybody for being here. I'll be back for the New York Open, and yeah, this was great. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you would like to support the channel and the stream, please make sure to click on my links and use my codes to support. It means a lot, and yeah, thank you so much, and God bless you all. See you guys in the New York session. All right, cheers everyone.